Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up AWS IAM user permissions for secure access step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service by searching for IAM in the AWS Services search bar. Once in the IAM dashboard, click on Users in the left-hand menu. Select the user you want to configure permissions for from the list. Click on the Permissions tab. Next, click on the Add Permissions button. You will be presented with three options: attach existing policies, create policy, or add user to group. For this tutorial, choose Attach Existing Policies directly and click the button. In the search bar, enter the name of the policy you want to attach. Select the appropriate policy from the list by checking the box next to it. Review your selection to ensure it meets your requirements for access. Click the Next, Review button to proceed. On the review page, confirm that the correct policies are attached to the user. If everything looks good, click the Add Permissions button to finalize the changes. You will be redirected back to the Permissions tab, where you can see the updated permissions list. To create a custom policy, return to the Permissions tab and click Add Permissions again. Select Create Policy and navigate to the JSON tab. Input your custom policy JSON, ensuring it specifies the required actions and resources. Click the Review Policy button. Name your policy and provide a description for clarity. Click the Create Policy button to save your new policy. Now, go back to the IAM dashboard, select the user once more, and click on Add Permissions. Choose Attach Existing Policies directly and search for your newly created custom policy. Select the checkbox next to your custom policy and click Next, Review. Review your summary and click Add Permissions to apply the custom policy to the user. To ensure secure access, consider using MFA for the user. Go to the Security Credentials tab and locate the Multi-Factor Authentication (MFA) section. Click on Assign MFA and follow the prompts to configure the MFA device. After successfully setting up MFA, remind the user to use it during login for enhanced security. You have now successfully configured AWS IAM user permissions for secure access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.